Okay, class, this is number 91. We're supposed to find the monthly sales, which is turns out to be this equation. And we want to find out what months we can sell over 100,000. So this is in 10,000 units, in thousands of units. So this is 74,000, this is 43,000. So what does all this mean? Well, if we remember, we had y equals d plus a sine b x minus c. D was the elevator up and down. A was, I guess that maybe would be more like this. D was this, moving up and down, right? The distance stayed the same. A was these two moved up and down, right? Okay, that would be like amplitude was like, how do you explain, like an accordion up and down. B changed the distance this way and back, and then C shifted the whole thing left and right. So we have a D value, an A value, and a B value, and we're trying to figure out how to model this thing. So basically we want to see if we can, how we can get this thing to show up on our calculator, and we want to know when this is greater than 100,000. So one thing I did was I just set it 74.5 plus 43.75 sine pi t over 6, and then I subtracted 100, because then all I have to do is find the zeros. When does this equal 0? So put this in as y equals. I have my mode in degrees, and then my window. Pause the video and see if you can figure out what the window should be. Okay, hopefully you did. My x value goes from 0 to 360. And it wouldn't matter, I guess 365, because there's 365 days in a year. And then I just have from 0 to about 20, because we really don't get more than 20 over 100 in our sales. So this graph, if you graph the whole thing, would look like this, and coming down. This would be one answer, and this would be another. This turns out to be 68. This turns out to be 275.6, and then what you have to do is change those to days of the year, so you can figure out what months we are above that line. So I'll let you ponder that and try to figure that out.